If you need to find and access cPanel in GoDaddy, this quick tutorial will walk you through the exact steps in just a few minutes. Whether you're setting up a website, managing files, installing WordPress, or checking your hosting settings, getting into cPanel is one of the first things you need to know. And don't worry, this is very simple once you know where to look. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, go to the GoDaddy product page and sign in if you're prompted to do so. If you're already logged into your account, you may be taken straight to your products, which makes the process even faster. Once you're inside your account, scroll down until you find the web hosting section. This is where all of your hosting plans are listed, so take a moment to locate the correct plan if you have more than one service on your account. After you find your hosting plan, look for the Manage button next to it. Click Manage to open your hosting dashboard. This is the control center for your hosting account, and it's where GoDaddy provides access to the tools you need to manage your website. Now, in the top right corner of your hosting dashboard, you should see cPanel Admin. Click cPanel Admin to continue. This is the button that takes you directly to your cPanel access page, and it's the fastest way to get in without having to search around for extra login details. Once you click it, a new tab will open and you'll be logged directly into your cPanel interface. That means you can start managing email, files, databases, domains, backups, and all the other cPanel tools right away. So to recap, sign into your GoDaddy product page, scroll to web hosting, click Manage on your hosting plan, and then select cPanel Admin in the top right corner. In just a few clicks, you'll be inside cPanel and ready to work. If this tutorial saved you time, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.